Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing NieR Automata Anime Collection Complete Series. I got Volume 1 and Volume 2, so hopefully, let's do this. Let's go. This is Volume 1, right here. Let me open this up. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. I need my knife. When in doubt, get your knife. It saves you the hassle. Yeah. Let's open this up again. Here it is. This is number 1. This is right there. Volume 1 for NieR Automata, version 1.1a, the anime. Here it goes. All 12 episodes. Bonus materials right there. Extras. Opening endings. You guys could read all that. Pause it you guys want. Down here. English subtitles. Color. Copyright protected. 1 to 3 dual layers. English and Japanese. Aniplex. Oh yeah, this is Aniplex. So, you know, this is kind of expensive. You know how Aniplex is with their prices. But I can't help it. I love NieR. And oh my god, they don't want to open. They don't want to see me. There we go. There she is. There's A2. Some things that back there. I don't know what it is. But let's do this. Again, there's A2. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I was not expecting that. I was seriously not expecting that, but can I help it? Alright. This is A2. 9s. There's him. There's him. I need to make room. I need to make room. Alright. Again, back in here finally again. This is this one. 1 through 4. This 2, 5 through 8. And this 3, 9 through 12. NieR Automata. This is the back. You guys could read all that. Wow, this has a lot of stuff. Which I'm happy, you know. Is this like the little booklet thing? Oh yeah, dang. The production. Wow. Okay, let me go through this real quick. If you guys want to pause it, go right ahead and pause it. Yeah, because there's too much. Well, for me, I'll take my time when I'm done with this video. But for you guys, I'm sorry I have to go fast. Interviews. Again, you want to pause it, go right ahead, pause it. Oh snap, went too fast. And I was going to go fast, but not that fast. Again, you want to pause it, go right ahead. I don't blame you. There's a book. What? There's more? There's more. You want to pause it, go right ahead. Oh, it's character descriptions and all that. Nice. Pascal, Adam, Eve. The machinery, weapons, the fish. Ooh, the lunar tier. Ooh, nice. Areas. Oh my god, again. I said that fast, but dang, not that fast. Desert zone, amusement park, shopping center, flooded city, and all that. And this is, what is this? Confidential. Ooh. Ooh, okay, okay. I see. I see. The replica disc for the discretion purposes, this does not contain recorded video audio. Please do not insert it into a player. This may cause player malfunction. Okay, so they just gave me this so I could keep it as a decoration on that. It looks nice. Okay, I'll keep it. This looks very nice. Let me put it back before I do something dumb like always and lose it. But yeah, okay, this is nice. All right, let's go to part 2, volume 2, right there. Volume 2 of NieR Automata version 1.1a. Have to do this again. Need my knife again, like always. Then you can never go wrong with your knife. They come in handy big time. Come on. I think I just broke it. Yeah, I don't care. I keep my stuff. I don't resell. I keep my stuff. But again, here is the back. The final 12 episodes. Bonus material right there. You guys could look up that. Extras, opening endings, teaser trailers, the staff. Again, with all this, English subtitles, English and Japanese. Alright, we don't need that. We know about this. Alright, let's open this. Oh yeah, and there's a flower. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like so hard to see it because it's white. With white. It looks nice when you get to see it, but in the wrong angles, you can't see it that good. Keep that over there. I don't care. Alright, let's go through this again. And before I drop anything, yep, see? I learned my lesson. I learned my lesson. Here's A2. Ooh, there she is. I love these girls. They're nice. I like how they try to redeem themselves. Oh, dang it. I couldn't reach. Too much stuff that way. But there's 9S. Okay, this one, 13 through 16. This 2, 12 to 24. What? Oh, wait, I missed this. Here, this 2, 17 to 20. And this 3, 21 to 24. Plus extras. Yeah. Alright, again with the booklet, let's go. Again, trying to go fast. You guys want to pause it, go right ahead. And plus, there might be spoilers, so you guys been warned. Again, you guys have been warned. Dang, this looks so nice. Again, I'll take my time going through this on my own, because right now I'm just making a video. You get through this quickly. Again, you guys want to read it, pause it. Just commentaries and all that. Dang, man. Again, this anime looks so beautiful. I love these at the end of the story of the episodes. They're so funny. The Muppets. Alright. Time to go for another round with this one. Again, you guys might be spoiled, so go at your own pace. You know, you guys want to skip right ahead. I don't blame you. The world and key items. Oh, dang it. And this is the back. Again, can't wait. And this is this one. I think this is 9S now, since the other one was A2. I mean, B2, I mean. This should be 9S. 9S. Yeah, it is 9S. Yeah, see? 9S. Again, says the same thing as that, but yeah. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of NieR Automata. Again, been trying my best to get all this into one shot, but it's too much. But it's not a bad thing. I love it. I think well, I don't know about the price. I know it was a bit too expensive, but you know, nothing I could do about it. I already paid for it. I'm about to go watch this again. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Again, highly recommend NieR. Go see it, play it, whatever you need to do it now. You will not regret your time playing it, seeing it. It's a good anime. The series, my god, Yoko Taro, he's a good man. Protect him at all cost. But I can't wait for his next game to come out. But that does it. Have a great day. See you next time for more unboxing on this channel. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Bye, go see this again in HD quality Blu-ray. Can't wait. Bye bye.